In today's adventure, we will be taking a magical tour, which will contrast between daytime and night. I decided to drive a loop around Lee and Dougherty counties, which are located in southwest Georgia, and view some of their most creative Christmas light displays. We will finish our journey by exploring one of the area's most popular Christmas wonderlands, the Clay Christmas display. Our first stop brings us to the Quail Chase subdivision in Lee County, Georgia. I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, Danovator, where my experiences become your adventure. Remember to please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. For this adventure, I will not need my sunglasses. Also another Christmas light display on Browning Court. As I crossed the Kinchafooney Creek Bridge on my way to the next display, the full moon could be seen just over the road ahead. On Lover's Lane, I came across these amazing skeletons dressed for the holiday. And just past those festive frights, Santa is conducting our next display. We have to cross Lake Cheehaw on Philema Road to our next display. Lee County's colors are red and black, as visible on their fire hydrants, which is fitting for Christmas. Back on Philema, heading to our next stop, it seems to me that Albany's Wild Animal Cheehaw Park is absent of their annual Christmas light display. On the Liberty Expressway, we pass the Fun Park and the mall. Our final Christmas displays lie near the city of Albany, Georgia. After turning onto West Doublegate Drive, I found the Grinch's sled being pulled by some wiener dogs. Our adventure today ends appropriately in Story Lane. In the distance, switching from daytime to night is, in my opinion, this area's most popular Christmas experience. This magnificent and creative light display is located in Lee County, Georgia. It is like a neighborhood lighthouse, beckoning all to come and explore. It has these magical window displays and even has a rotating Santa sleigh and reindeer circling the roof. I found this display very patriotic as it illustrates how many military families are separated during the holidays. Let's walk through this arched pathway to see what lies ahead. The Clay family's light display started 30 years ago as a gesture to brighten the spirits of this community after suffering the devastation of the flood of '94. Miss Clay drives the children's train, and Mr. Clay plays the part of the Grinch. The nice Grinch, of course. In this display case, I was reminded of my own childhood when Santa brought me my very own $6 Million Man and space capsule. Let's see what's inside of these dollhouses. There are displays of all kinds of characters, like Disney and a gingerbread village. And check out this motorboat. And of course you can't have Christmas without Whoville and the Grinch. I just noticed one of my favorite monsters from Christmas past. It's the abominable snow monster. Beside him is Yukon Cornelius, the prospector. There's Rudolph, and Sam the Snowman. Facing the road is Charlie Brown, Snoopy and the Gang, Frosty the Snowman, and the cast from Sesame Street. Well, it looks like the Care Bears are spending Christmas with the Smurfs. I was pleasantly surprised to see one of my favorite Christmas characters, Cousin Eddie, complete with his iconic RV from the movie Christmas Vacation, which starred Chevy Chase. I want to thank the Clays for allowing me to film their Christmas Wonderland. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video today of the daytime and nighttime Christmas light adventure. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Danovator. Oh yeah, by the way, I guess I can put my shades back on.